Hi you guys, this is Miss Naz and this video is for anyone who missed the live teach on Tuesday, August 18th. I'm going to go over a few things that we talked about in class. And if you missed on Tuesday, we hope that you'll be able to be with us on Thursday, which is our next live teach day for English and reading. First off, we at Nichols Junior High, we follow what we call the Pride Matrix. It's a system of behavior, whether you're at the football game or you're in the hallways, walking down the halls, or you're sitting at the cafeteria. But in this case, we're going to talk about how you can show your Mustang pride when you're at home learning. Pride stands for being positive, responsible, involved, dedicated, and excellent. So we need you to remember that to show your positivity, we need you to keep comments positive on discussion boards, in the Zoom chat, wherever you're leaving messages or information for your teacher or for other students. Please keep it positive. Also, please always make sure that what's showing on your screen is appropriate. Whether that's your camera screen and you're reminding everyone at home that you're on Zoom and they need to make sure that, they're not walking around in their underwear, or if it's something that's on your screen while you're sharing your screen. We need you to be responsible by taking care of your technology and ensuring that everything you share is useful and appropriate. When you come into a Zoom call, make sure that your mic is muted, and if you're comfortable, your camera's on. It helps us to be able to see your face, but we understand that sometimes it's just not going to happen that day. We need you to be an involved Mustang by participating actively and asking questions when you need help. We also need you to use the feedback that we give you on your assignments in Canvas in order to improve your performance and thereby improving your grade. If at all possible, we need you to attend synchronous or live learning when you're able to, and I'm going to talk about that schedule in just a minute. To be dedicated, that means you're logging into each class every day, giving attention to all your assignments, and being present and engaged in your learning. Every class is important, and you should be visiting every Canvas course for each class every day. And then at the end, if you've done all those things, you're going to be an excellent student because you're learning and growing in really extraordinary circumstances. Okay? If you and your teacher happen to be Zooming and you get cut off in the middle, just make sure to proceed to your assignments. If you can't log back into the Zoom, or if for some reason the teacher can't log back into the Zoom, just go ahead and go to the assignments for that day, because technology is not perfect. So we sometimes have to be flexible and adjust. So when do you Zoom? Several of you were confused about that. You need to find your schedule on Student Self-Serve and match it up to the online Bell schedule. You'll notice that if you have first period math, then you're going to Zoom live lesson on Tuesday and Thursday at 8:45. If you have second period history, then you're going to Zoom at 9:40 to 10:30 on Mondays and Wednesdays. If you have third period choir, you're going to Zoom with Miss Gentry from 10:35 to 11:20 on Fridays only. So those elective classes, they only get one live teach a week, so you need to definitely try to be there for those elective classes. You'll notice on the schedule there's no fourth period. That's our advisory period, and we're actually going to ask you not to worry about that during online learning. We want to give you an extra 35 minutes for lunch because Nichols is a school lunch site for Arlington ISD. So you and any other AISD student in your house can go to Nichols on Mondays or Thursdays from 10:30 to 12:30 and get 3 days worth of food for each of you. So if you go on Monday, they'll give you breakfast and lunch for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. You can reheat it at home, put it in the fridge, reheat it when you're ready, and that goes for any AISD student in your house. I also need you to make sure that you're checking into our Canvas course. You need to take a little tour through my Bitmoji classroom, because on Thursday during the live teach, we're going to play a game where if you've been paying attention to my Bitmoji classroom, to all the links inside, you've been paying attention to assignments, then you're going to have a leg up on all the other competition. Also, hint, hint, if you want to take notes on any of it, then on Thursday you can use your notes on the game. So hopefully that has caught you up on some of the major things that we covered today. Please go through the rest of the PowerPoint that I'll have posted and complete all assignments so that you're prepared for Wednesday and Thursday's class. See y'all Thursday.